Hello guys, it's Abrar here. Today I'm going to show you Hacker News Data Scraper 1.0 I have developed. When you this zip file take for me and extract like a simple folder like this one and open it and find this exe file and click open. Okay, this is our board and just click on start button. Okay, the starting data scraping. Here is the sum option. Click on option and on your choice, like I don't want these points, so uncheck this box and click on apply button. It will be not scrapping. Also here is will be not show. It will be not scrap, and again click on this checkbox and apply button. It will be again starting scrapping. It will be again scrapping. Here is the search title from this data, like on your choice what you want. It will be scrap, rank, title, link, site points, other, comment, time ago, and item IDs. And now page is 24 and now it's 25. So I'm going to show you first for video. Okay, now our all data is scrapped, done, and now time to export this. So just click on export button and choose your output path like this, and if you want, give you name and choose your output format, file format. And if you click on this checkbox, that means after export it will be automatic open. So here is our data. So see here our data. If you want this board, just contact with me. I'll contact information in description. And if you have any questions, so just contact with me. If you have any custom projects, so just contact with me. I will happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Take care yourself. Bye bye.